It's not my usual type of video, but today I'm going to be giving my first impressions on a product which claims it can give
thicker, fuller, natural looking hair you can see instantly.
The product in question is made by a brand called Toppik. I bought this product myself, I believe it was $19.99. I got it off Amazon. So with that being said, this isn't a sponsored review in any way. It comes in a bunch of different shades, so you can find one which blends in with your natural hair color. I went with the black. I wasn't sure to go dark brown or black. I ended up going with the black. We'll see if that was the right decision or not. From what I can tell, this product works really well for people who are in the late stages of hair thinning. As you guys know, I'm in the early stages, so I thought to try and replicate that appearance of thinner hair, I put a bunch of hair oil in. Obviously, it's not how it's intended to be used, but for the sake of this video and demonstrating it, I thought that would probably be the best way. That is what we look like before. Let's apply this. Wow, I've just stained my forehead a bit, but like, I'm actually super impressed. Hey, me again. So I went through the footage and I don't feel as if my first time using the product does it any justice. So I thought to myself, how can I truly showcase the capability of this product? So I decided I'm gonna fill in the sides here. It's so hard to do this without a mirror, but okay, so I might have gone a bit extreme there, but you get the gist, hopefully. And plus, I'm not using a mirror. I'm still very new to this product, so I don't know how it's best used. I've got it all over my forehead, but hopefully you get where I'm coming from when I say first impressions are positive. Obviously, this looks so unnatural because of how bad I've done it, but if I did take the time to do it well, you can see how well of a job it does at filling in thinning areas. So I haven't tested this product enough myself to know the drawbacks of it. However, if you look online, it's pretty common to find people complaining about itchiness, and long-term use can even lead to irritation, so that is something to bear in mind. And for a long daily use, i.e. morning to night, people find that the product ends up not looking as natural as it did at the start. Often people report flakiness or clumping, especially during physical activity. If you sweat, the product can clump up. So although my first impressions are very positive, there are downsides which you might want to consider. So all in all, I think this is a pretty cool product. Definitely something to consider if thinning hair is a concern of yours. In my last video, I mentioned Aveda's thickening tonic, which does a great job at thickening your hair cosmetically. This doesn't thicken your hair, but it does give the appearance of a fuller scalp. So they kind of do the same thing, they kind of don't. But yeah, definitely something to consider. So I'm going to bring this video to a close. Hopefully you enjoyed, and hopefully you're enjoying the more frequent uploads. Subscribe if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, and until then I will see you all next week with another video.